Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Device. As you can see right here, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset all settings including network settings. So just tap on it and tap on Reset. Your device is asking if you really want to do it, or actually is informing you, and this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset if you are ready and simply wait until it will be done. As you can see, we've got this information that we just successfully reset all preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.